not let him go. Go and do it again. You should be able to halt between these two fences. Don't go in the long one. 1, 2, 3, 1. Check. Better, good Gerald, well done. You've got to control every single stride, Caitlin. Okay? The most important stride, don't want you to jump. Lift your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2. Too fast. Got to guard the rhythm all the way down so it doesn't speed up. Come again. So how are you going to slow? Wait. Fire. Up. Right, come back. Sit tall and wait. Hold the front end. Now bounce the canter. Bounce it. Bounce. Good. Bounce. Right, there's no contact. I want you to fold over the first jump at all. Stay tall. Count. Keep your hands up. 1, 2, 3. Shoulders up. Pull. Wait. Good girl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, not bad. I could see you waiting, asking him to wait, but you left it too late. The last 3 strides to that, you went check, which is great, but you should have been doing it the minute you landed. Go and do it again. The minute you land, pull him up. You're gonna halt at the front, Caitlin. Jump that jump and halt in the middle. Whoa. You know what that was one? I don't see the long one. Wait, hold it deep. Long one. No, that's only. Stop. Wait. Better. Wait, pull. Right. We're never going to get 5 in if you go on the long one. Come again. Wait. How close can you get him to the bottom of that fence? That's what you've got to be thinking. Hold him up. Hold him together. Hold him up. Now bounce. 1, 2, better. Check! Girl! Beyond. Very good. That was super. Short canter, then down the treble. Now, sit very tall. Hang on to his head in between the jump. Pull him up. Good. Check. Beth, you try it. 1, 2, 3. 1,